Next part is the really fun assembly part. So this part is going to go on the very back. So this will go here. And then we want to take our 2 bows, and what you do is you flip the here, and just make sure that it's centered just nicely. Hold in the center so you can still fluff your bow a bit, and get your next bow, and we'll do the same. Place it right on top. Make sure that you have your bow center. Put some glue down right in the center, and then secure that right down in the middle. Hold your bow and flip. And then close it. This is such a cute little bow. Just remove your excess glue here. Make sure that's nice and secure. And that is absolutely the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh, that turned out so much cuter than I thought. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so glad you made this bow with us. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. And I hope that this bow is so cute for your little girl in your life, and that you have a Merry Christmas. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks so much, and y'all have a great day. Bye.